everyone, today we're going to make these festive thumbprint salty cookies. To that we're going to need separated egg whites and egg yolk, butter, sugar divided, vanilla, salt, flour, cashews, whole pieces, and cashews crushed. I've crushed it myself, I chopped it up finely, and orange zest. First we are beating sugar, half a cup of sugar with a stick of butter. And we're beating that until nice and fluffy. We're going to add in the egg yolk, vanilla, salt, and orange zest. So add the 4. Once you've added that, make sure you remember to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Add in the flour, mix until combined, and voila. Now the dough is ready to be put away in the refrigerator. So the dough is nice and it's not sticky, which is perfect. So in a clear plastic food wrap, you just want to make a disc. Place your dough and flatten it down to a disc. And we want to refrigerate this for about 2 hours. And let's see what happens after 2 hours. 2 hours passed. Here's the rest of our ingredients that we still need. So 2 tablespoons of sugar goes into the nuts to make this. It's going to make a nice, sweet, salty taste. So you don't want to miss this part of sugar. Then the egg white. You just want to whisk it to make it frothy. Frothy, it's ready. All right, I think we're ready to go. So those 2 are done. Now let's open up our dough and prepare our baking sheets with parchment paper. Roll an inch size ball and put it into the frothy egg whites. Then you want to roll it and place it on parchment paper. Roll into the nuts and kind of press with your thumb to make a thumbprint cookies. That's why they're called thumbprint. At least that's what I think. All right, so once you get through that, we want to bake on 350 for about 10 minutes or until you think it's ready. All right. So then you just want to press a little bit with your spoon. After 10 minutes, press it down. And then after you've done all of them, put it in to bake again for about 8 more minutes. And then once you've taken out it cools, place your dulce de leche. Well, you don't really need it for it to cool. It's not going to melt. Place your dulce de leche, or you can use any caramel you want. You can use the caramel that you put over the ice cream, and that will work just fine. And then top it off with your whole or half of cashew, which is yum yum. It looks delicious, pretty presentation, and so good. You guys need to do this for the holidays. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell buttons